The problems do not stop at the lab bench. In 2015, Italian police raided Bertolli's parent company, D'Olio.
From major recalls to oils full of chemicals, these are the 5 fake cooking oils you must avoid, and 2 that are actually safe. Number 5. Danielle First ColdPress Extra Virgin Olive Oil. The familiar green and gold label, large tins on store shelves. It promised purity, tradition, and health, everything people expect from true olive oil. But in January 2025, a federal notice forced a recall. Why? Because those tins may not have contained olive oil at all. They may have been filled with ordinary canola oil. This wasn't a small labeling mistake. It was a failure across the entire chain, from production to distribution to retail shelves. Bottles were ordered, shipped, stocked, and sold before anyone caught it. Consumers paid premium prices expecting the well-known benefits of olive oil: support for heart health, healthy cholesterol levels, and anti-inflammatory compounds. Instead, they may have received a cheaper, highly processed substitute with none of those qualities. For seniors focused on heart health, this is a big deal. For many families, this feels like betrayal. You're not just losing money, you're losing trust in everything you thought you could rely on. Number 4. Mazola Canola Oil, a brand built on trust, pure, heart healthy. But court filings in 2022 revealed something different. Lawsuits accused Mazola of misleading customers by advertising 100% pure while relying on an industrial solvent called hexane to extract the oil from seeds. Hexane is not a kitchen ingredient. It's a petroleum byproduct commonly used as a degreaser in factories. In oil production, it's used to squeeze out every last drop. Trace amounts can remain in the final product. And while regulators allow small levels, the idea of cooking with something derived from a chemical solvent raises serious concerns. The CDC has warned that repeated exposure to hexane may affect the nervous system. Health experts link it to symptoms like headaches, dizziness, and nerve damage over time. Consumers began noticing something was off: odd aftertastes, a strange smell. Many felt misled, expecting something natural, not something processed through chemical extraction. Mazola is everywhere: Walmart, Kroger, Target. Millions of households use it daily, and many don't realize how it's made. Number 3. Great Value Avocado Oil. On the surface, Great Value Avocado Oil looks like an upgrade. The label promises purity, a rich green fruit turned into a golden liquid. But here's what most people don't realize. When researchers at the University of California, Davis tested these bottles, they found something unexpected. Many weren't pure avocado oil at all, but mixed with cheaper oils like soybean, sunflower, and safflower. Avocados are expensive. From growing to harvesting to pressing into oil, seed oils are cheap. By cutting or replacing avocado oil with these alternatives, companies reduce costs at every stage. The product is still sold as premium but produced like a bargain filler. Great Value is one of the largest retail brands in the U.S. Millions of families trust it every day. But when even a brand like that isn't honest, it makes people question what they're really buying and whether any label can be trusted. Number 2. Kroger Private Selection Avocado Oil. It looks premium, elegant label, higher price, but it may not be what you think. Research from the University of California, Davis tested bottles bought directly from Kroger stores. The results were unsettling. Many didn't match the label. Instead of pure avocado oil, they contained cheaper seed oils. Customers had already noticed it. Complaints had been scattered online for years: bitter taste, weak aroma, thin texture. Some described a strange smell, closer to cheap vegetable oil than the rich, buttery scent avocado oil should have. Then the lab confirmed it. Open a bottle, smell it. Does it feel fresh and smooth, or flat and almost metallic? Pour it out. Does it flow thick and rich, or thin and watery? Real avocado oil is stable and packed with beneficial fats, but when it's diluted, those benefits disappear. Instead, you may be consuming oils that oxidize faster, break down under heat, and create harmful byproducts that fuel inflammation. For people already managing heart health or cholesterol, that risk is not theoretical, it's real. Number 1. Wesson Vegetable Oil. Wesson Vegetable Oil isn't really made from vegetables. It's mostly soybean oil, extracted using hexane, the same petroleum-based solvent used in industrial cleaning. Then it's bleached, deodorized, and refined at extremely high temperatures. The word vegetable makes it sound natural, but this process strips away nutrients and creates harmful compounds. Some experts point to the formation of unstable byproducts and trans fats during high heat refining. It also adds a lot of omega-6 fats to your diet, but most people already get too much omega-6 and not enough omega-3. That imbalance can lead to inflammation, joint pain, and long-term health issues. For people already dealing with heart concerns or inflammation, this isn't small. It adds up meal after meal. And then came the lawsuits. In 2011, consumers challenged Wesson for marketing their oil as 100% natural, despite it being made from genetically modified crops and heavily processed. After more than a decade in court, a settlement forced the company to remove that claim. But the oil itself didn't change. Before we continue to the safe brands, please hit like and subscribe. Safe pick number 1, Primal Kitchen Avocado Oil. This brand didn't build its reputation through marketing, it earned it through consistency, and that difference shows. Families who use it often say the same thing. The taste is clean, smooth, and rich. No bitterness, no strange aftertaste. Just what real avocado oil should be. In independent testing, where many avocado oils failed, Primal Kitchen passed. No dilution, no rancidity, just pure, authentic oil. Transparency is a big part of that. The oil is pressed from avocados with clear sourcing, not hidden supply chains or mystery processing. For people who cook daily, that matters. High heat stability, no breakdown, no smoke, no surprises. And for those focused on health, it becomes more than just oil. It becomes something you can actually trust. What you see is what you get. Safe pick number 2, Chosen Foods Avocado Oil. Chosen Foods earned its place through testing, not marketing. When UC Davis found that up to 82% of avocado oils were diluted or rancid, this brand stood out. Clean, pure, and authentic. No hidden seed oils, no shortcuts. Chosen Foods stands for transparent sourcing, consistent quality, and a product that actually matches the label. Open a bottle and you can tell immediately. The color is rich and golden green, not pale or dull. The texture flows smoothly, not thin or watery. The smell is mild and slightly buttery, exactly what real avocado oil should be. Real oil doesn't develop strange odors or turn rancid quickly. That's because it hasn't been degraded or diluted from the start. For people choosing avocado oil for health, this matters. You actually get the benefits you're paying for. And for cooking, it holds up under high heat without breaking down. And when you use it, food just tastes better.